Hi guys, welcome back to Miang channel. Today I will show you traditional Thai snacks, Thai desserts, some Portuguese desserts, and Chinese desserts that have become popular in Thailand. I want to show you uniquely, so I decided to present them with an afternoon tea. Let's get started with the first plate. What we have here is Miang kham. It is Thai snack. Included chopped shallots, small dried chims, chopped gingers, grated coconut, roasted peanuts, chopped limes, chopped peppers, fish beetle leaves. I'll show you how we have it. First, take the fish beetle leaf and then fold it like triangle. Like this. Then pick the toppings that you would like to have, okay? To be honest with you guys, it is my first time having Miang kham. Our sauce. I loved it because it is a combination of all the flavors in the food. You will get the sweetness from the sauce and the spiciness from the peppers. Salty flavor come from the dried chims and the sour taste from the limes. Let's have a look at our second plate. Krathong Thong. You can find Krathong Thong in different flavors or meats, such as pork and chims, but this one is chicken. I like Krathong Thong because the crispiness and the stuff inside is good too. I ordered it from a shop. I didn't make it myself. One Saku ไส้หมู is pork stuffed tapioca balls. You will often see it at many markets in Thailand. And our third plate, ทองหยิบ ทองหยอด ฝอยทอง These three desserts were introduced by Japanese Portuguese Marie Gima, who sometimes is considered the queen of Thai desserts. Kanom เม็ดขนุน Kanom means sweets, เม็ด means seeds, Khanun means jackfruit, and this is how we named it because it looks like jackfruit seed. Khanom is made from tapioca flake, rice flour, potato flour, which are the main ingredients, and you can find these types of desserts in other countries in Southeast Asia like Malaysia and Indonesia. Kanom tuay is actually a Chinese steamed cake, was originated in Thailand by Chinese people in the past. Chinese people and Thai people like to use it in auspicious ceremony. ทองหยิบ ทองหยอด ฝอยทอง ขนมเม็ดขนุน ขนมชั้น ขนมถ้วยฟู are considered auspicious desserts in Thailand. There are actually 9 of them, but today we only have 6. If you want to try a set of auspicious desserts, in Udon Thani, there's a shop called Khanom คุณยาย but you have to call them and order like 1 to 2 weeks in advance. ข้าวเหนียวแก้วใบเตย is pandan flavor sweet coconut sticky rice. Keep in mind that Thai food or Thai desserts with green color, they are mixed with extract juice from pandan leaves. Look chup are made with different colors and different shapes of veggies and fruits. This one is chili or pepper. I guess this one is green chili. This one is orange. They are made from mung beans, coconut milk, sugar, food coloring, etc. ขนมหม้อแกง is also tradition Thai dessert. Sometimes sellers sell it in a square tray, but sometimes they will cut it in small pieces like this. And the last dessert that I want to show you guys is ta-da! Mango sweet sticky rice. To make sweet sticky rice or ข้าวเหนียวมูน we use a specific sticky rice. People in Thailand call it ข้าวเหนียวเขี้ยวงู which is glutinous rice. And other ingredients to make the sticky rice are the coconut cream, a little bit of salt, and we will use a piece of alum to rub with our rice before cooking to make our rice shiny. Let's enjoy our tea. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please press the like button and subscribe so you won't miss my next awesome videos. Bye!